Hello, today I will show you how to install OpenWRT on a VirtualBox. Everything that I'm doing here is documented in the OpenWRT page. So if you want to take a look at that, I will leave a link in the video description. So first of all, we need to download an OpenWRT release. Just click on this link, or I will just leave this link in the description too. I will be downloading this stable release. So let's click on that. Click x86 64 and select this link. It will download this file, extract it. I will move the .img file to the desktop. Now if you don't have VirtualBox already downloaded, download it now. Once you do that, go to your location of VirtualBox. For me it's in C, Program Files, Oracle, VirtualBox. I'm gonna upload this file right here. Open command prompt, and let's go to the directory where we uploaded that img file. So it will be in C, or you can just copy this whole directory and paste it in here. Click enter, and now we're in this directory. Now let's copy this command and paste in the command line. Now we have to change something. So this openwrt.img file we will have to change it to the release that we downloaded. So I'm just gonna click rename and just copy everything. Copy the name of this file and paste it right here. And now when I click enter, okay, so why I got this error? I think because I didn't run the command prompt in administrator mode. Just gonna run it in administrator mode. Do the same process again. Okay, now let's copy this command again. And rename it and copy the file name. Change this to the release that we downloaded. Enter, and we're done. So now you can see that we generated this openwrt.vga file. I'm just gonna move it to the desktop. Continue. You don't need this openwrt.img file anymore, so I'm just gonna delete it. Now we will be creating a virtual machine. So click new. I'm gonna name it OpenWRT. I will choose the machine folder VirtualBox. You can choose it to whatever you want. This is where you store your machine files. Type will be Linux other 64-bit. If you don't have virtualization enabled on your BIOS, you will not have a 64-bit option, so you can just use 32-bit. Memory size, you can give it whatever you want. I don't know, I'm just gonna give it 64 megabytes of RAM, and use an existing virtual hard disk file. We will be using this file that we just generated. I'm gonna store it in the machine folder. I'm gonna name it OpenWRT and upload it here to the other drive. You can just move it and keep it wherever you want. So I'm just gonna select where the location of this file, which is there, choose, and now let's click create. So now we're done. We just need to go to the settings, or almost done. Now we need to go to network, and for the first adapter select NAT, and for the second one click enable and select bridged adapter. And this is my Ethernet controller, and click OK and start. So we can see that the OpenWRT is booting up. So now that it booted up, I'm gonna press enter, and you see a warning that there is no root password. So it says type BASSVD, and just put in your new password. So once you do that, we will have to configure the OpenWRT has internet, because after the install you can ping Google and you can see that it's not responding. So to fix that, type this command vi etc config network. Vi is an editor, and to edit the file just click Y. So I'm gonna rename the interface of the LAN port to Ethernet 1. Now I'm gonna rename the interface WAN to port Ethernet 0. Okay, so to exit and save this file, just click ECC ESC and type VQ. Now we need to restart the networking, so as a service network restart. When it says becomes ready, just press enter, and let's ping Google. Now you can see that we can ping Google and it responds. Now the next thing we will do is install LuCI web interface. To do that, first we will have to upgrade the system. Type opkg update. Now we can install the LuCI. OpenKG install LuCI. Now it's done. You can access the LuCI interface from your web browser. Type the IP address of the virtual machine. So just type your root password that you created after install. So thanks for watching and goodbye.